Alright, so to replace that sprinkler, I'm going to use one of these K2 Pros, and this is the top of it. If you look, you're going to see there's a 360, 90, 180, 270, and then you can change the distance here by twisting it. And it comes with a bunch of different things inside that you can use as directions. It's supposed to be easy to adjust the distance and the flow, and they show you there. And then there's a little bit of the information on the side of it. It's easy spring to set. Yep, that's what they tell you, but who knows? When you start doing it, you're like, oh, how come I can't get this thing to work right? But we're going to show you. And yeah, this should be good. All right, so anyway, here we are. Get some light on the subject. All right, so this is the sprinkler. And I think I can, sometimes you can just pop them out. Nope, that's not going to happen. There we go. So I just got her out. We'll set that there. You can see there's a little piece of the, they glue them in there. So anyway, we'll put that to the side. And then this here, of course it's taped, so you got to rip through the tape. And inside here, they have, they have a whole bunch of these different heads that you can use. And if you look, well, you can't see it because it isn't popped up yet. But once it pops up, then you can see where you put these. It has the instructions, and then it also has more of these. I mean, how many do you need? Look, I mean, that's a lot, right? I mean, how many people are going to use all those? I don't know. Then it has your key, and this key is how you get this thing up. If you look on the top of it, you got to stick the key in there, and then what you're going to do is turn it. If I can get it in, you got to get it in deep, and then you can pull this up. And if you look, whoops, shit. So it's a pain in the butt to do. You got to turn the key like that, and then you can lift up on this. So look, I'll lift it up. You can see there's the head. So when you do that, you got to kind of grab it. I mean, it's got a really strong spring in it. You follow me? There it is, right? So anyway, and then we'll do that. We'll leave that key right there for now. And then when we get it screwed in, then I got to pull this up, twist it, and twist it back, and then we set all these things. So I'm going to show you how that works. All right? I wanted to show you how you need to have the key in there. You got to get it like so it's, you know, so it can't pop out the sides. Now if you want to get it out, you got to turn it and then pop it out like that. So you see how it's got the little corners on it? If you look right there, you see how it goes in. And then once you get it in there deep, you got to twist it like that. And then you can pull on it. You follow me? Then you can pull it. You follow me? Otherwise, it'll slip out of there. So let's pop it out for right now. And then we'll go put this in, and we'll show you how you do it. All right.